Did you ever work with the Ronin 4D before this project?
My grip, Pat Gillespie, he was like, have you heard of the 4D? He was like, you should have a play with it. So we brought it into testing, and immediately I was like, oh my God, like this is crazy. This is such a good camera.
I'd used the Ronin 4D on a job in the year prior, just as like a backup camera on some sort of low budget feature. And I was blown away by it. I was like, this is a really cool bit of gear. And I just said to him, like, listen, it might not be the right thing, but it was like, have you had hands on with it? And he was like, no. And I was like, well, have a play with it and see what you think. And he was just like, this is incredible, because it's a really cool bit of gear.
This was my first as well. So I come from a Steadicam and Trinity background. I mean, Matt's smiling because he knows that I love Steadicam, and there's always that thing, everyone always is like, oh, like all Steadicam and all that stuff. But as we said before, like it's kind of the right tool for the right job. And there was just nothing that could compete against what the 4D did for us during every take.
What we did would have been impossible. We really pushed the Ronin 4D. You can engage and disengage master wheels control seamlessly without literally nothing happens. It just goes, okay, well, I guess I'm in PT mode now then, and carries on seamlessly. And the same is true for the mimic mode, and we used that for the sequence where they rise to the stairwell. They follow character Lisa up the stairs. The camera goes directly up. She goes around the stairwell. At that point, there's no operating can be done there, because it's like being handed upwards from one person receiving it. So then our trainee Divine, it literally flicks the switch on the high bright monitor, which enables the gyroscope mode. We set that up so it couldn't roll, but it could do pan and tilt. And then she just followed, just kept the crosshair on Lisa's head until the operator upstairs was able to take over, and then she just disengaged it.
I said to the actors, give them the freedom to be real and be natural. So I said, look, if the other person does something that sparks a reaction from you, just go with it. Don't try and hold it back.